Kush, first I'm going to come back to you for your stock recommendations for the morning.
So again, despite the kind of mild bearish outlook that I have on Nifty today, my stock picks, both of them are positive. I'm looking at a Persistent and a Jubilant Pharmova. Interesting moves yesterday on Persistent. We're seeing some sort of consolidation with a positive bias. IT could see some sort of a rally, and Persistent has been one of our top picks in the IT space for a while now. So 5900, 6150 are the targets, and 5990, 5590 is where you place your stop loss. Jubilant Pharmova was our pick for a while, has crossed that 1230 resistance zone, is trading above that for some time, and could continue to hold. Volumes are also fairly decent on this one. Positionally, 1310, 1370 are your targets, and 1190 is where you place that stop loss.
Well, the good news is GIFT Nifty is also turned positive, slightly positive. And that's what we are doing, is we're gearing up for trade this morning. Avinash, how are you feeling about the markets? Are you circumspect? Are you avoiding any fundamental buy calls? Or are you acquiring at every dip in this market?
Yeah, good morning. See, I think we are looking at selective, sectors like hospitality, hotels, capital goods. And I think within this basket, yesterday, I believe Indian hotels reported their numbers. I think fairly strong numbers. And I think my sense is that, the second half is definitely going to be much better than the first half. Typically, the second half is supposed to be a much more remunerative period for most of the hotel companies. And our discussions with some of the hotel companies indicate that, on the ground level, supply crunch continues. The ARR, realizations have been pretty solid. So I think Indian hotels, even at the current odd levels, if somebody has a slightly medium-term view, can obviously accumulate. We are looking at a fair value of 800 rupees plus. And the second stock would be Larsen and Toubro. See, in this kind of volatile market, as Kush mentioned, I think this stock has held on very strongly, very strong order book, good execution. Their working capital crunch has also eased a lot, and I think the markets would definitely like to bet on larger companies now. Even the small and mid cap companies, I think the volatility will be much more, because although the Nifty has corrected by 9-10%. The broader market has seen corrections of almost 25-30 odd percent for some of the smaller mid cap companies. So I think L&T definitely deserves a second look, and I think the second half will be much better in terms of revenue, in terms of profitability. So L&T even at the current levels can be a good kind of buy at around 36 8 40 36 50. We are looking at around 3800 plus odd levels over the next 12 to 15 months.